Your armor melts away. Keep a lookout. Look to the foe. Revealed. Exposed your deceit. We see you. Look there. We see you. I'm on to you, Ricky. Ricky's here. I've got Ricky. Ricky revealed. Ricky, you die. Ricky Maru, I see you. Armlet. Armlet drains me. Armlet, dangerous even to me. Armlet has reduced me. Attack on guard. Vigilance. After them. On their tail. I'm on to you. No mercy. Face me. Here, you're in deep water. Cowards. In over your head. Blink and you'll miss me. Blink, dagger. I'll crush them in a blink. I'll keep this under pressure. Watertight to 20 fathoms. I'll tap this later. Watertight. No stopping me. You won't escape. I give no quarter. Crummy wizard. No! Caught off guard. I've failed in my duty. Relieved of duty. A lapse in vigilance. I welcome the abyss. I hear the deep ones calling. Submerged. I sound the depths. Slippery when dead. Into the black seas of infinity. That is not dead. That can eternal lie. The last of the old guard. Denied. Cut bait. Jigs up. You get nothing. Not for you. Divine rapier. Double damage. Double duty. First blood. Here. Haste. I'll leave them all in my wake. Illusion. A school of me. Immortality. Eternal life. It's in the bag. Invisibility. Clear as clean water. My deepest sympathies. Now you dwell in the deep. You were out of your depth. Can't fathom why you thought you'd survive. To the dead zone with you. I killed you, but I'll not clean you. Total spawnage. Schooled you good. You let your guard down. The treasures of the deep are safe from the likes of you. A soldier's fortune, shiny as shows. I'll treasure this. I'll do it for Athene. Tip the scales. Treasure for the deeps. To the deeps with you. Scaling up, my lure brightens, my power grows, packed to the gills, my strength increases. I crossed the world to take you down. I came a long way to see you die. No! Defeated. Into the bottomless dark. Yes. 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 I go patrolling. A swift current. Slither. No delay. Rushing in. Deep ones guide me. Onward to the fight. Guard well. I rush to defend. Out of mana. No mana. Not enough mana. Out of mana. No mana. Not enough mana. Out of mana. No mana. Not enough mana. Not yet. I'm not ready. It's not time yet. Not yet. I'm not ready. It's not time yet. Not yet. I'm not ready. It's not time yet. New treasures to guard. I will prize this with my life. This will make a splash. This would seem redundant. I guard what slumbers in the deeps. I'm duty-bound to defend the deep ones. The riches of the darkest sea abysses are mine to protect. Too bright up here and far too light. I long for the pressures of the deep and the subtle luminosities of the sunken world. Regeneration. I regenerate. Back to light and air. And with strange eons, even death may die. I soldier on. From lightless gulfs I return. Ah, my old spawning ground. Lured me back again. I resurface. I'll not be caught off guard again. The centurion returns. The deep ones return me to duty. Ah, scepter, a pearl beyond price. Shitty wizard. Slardar, I am Slardar. From the deeps I rise. The deep ones send me forth, guardian of the deeps. My deepest thanks. The deep ones, thank you. Thank you. I'm under attack. Yes! Yes! Victory! In the name of the Nameless Ones! Oh, how the Deep Ones will feast!